First, we'll import the audio file. It should be this one. We'll drag it onto the new composition button. That makes a new comp that is the length of the audio file. As for the size of the comp, we just check it, and it is the NTSC D1 widescreen square pixel preset, which is the last comp preset I used. That explains it, and that's fine. Let's just add a little more on that. Let's make it 6 and 25. That gives us a bit of a buffer before and after. Actually, let's worry about that later. Let's leave it right here at the start. Let's take a look at the waveform by hitting LL. This is the waveform of what we're working with. Let's play it by hitting the period on your numeric keypad.
Never let the odds keep you from doing what you know in your heart you were meant to do.
Great. The first thing we need to do is mark the words on the audio. This will help us position the layers for the type that we're going to be using. So let's zoom in a bit. Hold down the Command key or Control in Windows and scrub through to find each word. Or you can just hold the the Command key down and hold your mouse down on the current time indicator.
Never, 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 never.
So the never starts right about here. On the numeric keypad, hit the asterisk button to set a marker on the layer. The layer has to be selected for that to happen. Now we want to add some text to this marker just to tell us where we are. The first word is never, so we double click on the marker. We type in never, hit OK, or just hit the enter button. Move to the next one. Should be about there. Asterisk, double click. That's the asterisk, double click.
Odd. Odd, odd, odd. Odd, odd, odd.
Asterisk, double click. And don't forget, when I'm doing this scrubbing, I'm holding down the Command key or Control in Windows.
Keep you.
Asterisk, double click. Keep.
You from.
That's it. We were hearing pew from, and that meant we still had a part of the P sound from you, so I wanted to move forward until I heard a clean U.
From.
Okay, asterisk, double click, from.
Doing.
Now when you do this, the waveform will disappear. Sometimes it automatically comes back. If it doesn't, you just select the layer again. that would be what? If you don't get the exact frame in this process, you can always adjust the position of the text layers that you'll be adding later in time. After a few previews, you see it doesn't work right, then you just adjust the text layers in time. This should be reasonably close, but you don't have to be dead frame accurate on. You know, as close as you can.
You know.
What you know. Maybe around there. Know in your heart.
When you're
We don't always say the words as they're spelled, but when we add the text, we will generally spell them the way the word is supposed to be spelled. I actually said no hun your heart, kind of, and it wouldn't make sense to write out no hun your heart. Doesn't make sense. So you would write no in your heart when we start writing text. Let's move on.
Your heart.
Those two are pretty close. Zoom in a bit. There we
go. When you're
Maybe we'll just move this one a little bit more that way. Okay, we can do that. We can move markers. That's good. Heart.
You were meant. To do. Do.
There we go. Hit the period on the numerical keypad.
Never let the odds keep you from doing what you know in your heart you were meant to do. Never let the odds keep you from doing what you know in your heart you were meant to do. Never let the odds keep you from doing what you know in your heart you were meant to do.
Great. Let's close up the waveform. We won't be using it.